Good evening. A huge portion of the eastern seaboard is crippled tonight. Millions of viewers cannot see this broadcast because they're heading into another night in the dark. A huge area of the country on its knees where life has ground to a halt because of this one storm. The death toll is now at least 40. The biggest city in the country has been staggered. Power is out for more than 8 million homes and businesses, and that's an early lowball estimate across 15 states. An early guess at the cost of this storm would begin at $50 billion in damage and lost business.
עננו אלוהי אברהם עננו עננו ופחד יצחק עננו אביר יעקב מגן דוד מגן דוד עננו עננו העונה בעת רצון עננו עננו העונה בעת צרה עננו העונה בעת רחמים בעת רחמים העונה בעת רחמים עננו אלוהי המרכבה עננו עננו רחו בחנו רחום בחנו רחום בחנו רחום בחנו.
In Staten Island, Donna Soley pleaded with her senators for more food, gasoline, and clothing.
We got 90-year-old people.
The devastation in my neighborhood was unbelievable. There were people's furnaces on other people's lawns. We saw ice chests from stores that they keep ice on people's lawn. Trees down, out with power. Just total devastation.
If you take a look over here, you get an idea of how high the water went. Right here we have the Mishnayos. Oh my God, there's size on the floor. So we need to put a lot of this stuff in Seamus, a lot of this farm in Seamus.
This used to be Mike Abruzzo's home.
My youngest daughter yesterday, Faith, said, Daddy, I want to go home. I told her this is going to be a while, hon. She don't understand. She's 6.